Is it visible? Okay. So when fault occurs, we know that here when fault occurs, voltage reduces and current increases. So in normal operating condition, force because of this electromagnetic force of this volt coil is equal to electromagnetic force developed by current coil. But when fault occurs, this force get reduced because of voltage reduces, and this force get increased because of current increases. So what happens? These get attracted downward and trip circuit contact get close to operate the circuit breaker by operation of trip circuit completion. अच्छा देता है क्या what I am saying? If you have doubt, you can ask. Normal condition. Now, if I like to explain in mathematics, now this particular force, say I will say force produced by or torque produced by voltage coil, that I will write equation like PV, torque produced by voltage coil, okay, is proportional to voltage apply. अच्छा चलेगा. And torque produced by current coil, yeah, is proportional to current square. So I will write here is proportional to I square. Okay. Now if I say there is a constant of proportionality K1, is proportional to voltage square. Equation here. That's the what is proportional to voltage square. That is torque produced by voltage, torque produced by current coil. Now, if I consider constant of proportionality K for this say K1, then torque produced by voltage is K1 V square, बरोबर? And similarly, torque produced by current coil, that is I. If I consider constant of proportionality K2 is proportional to I square. So torque equation, you got this? Okay. So when relay is inoperative, mathematically I can put PV is less than PR. Okay. So initially the pull on current side is less and this is more. So relay is in operative trip circuit contact म्हणजे हा आर्मेचर खाली राहील, हा वर राहील, open trip circuit contact. This is a condition for when this is condition at normal operation. But when fault occurs, what happens? When fault occurs, these get reversed. Yeah. Fault occurs. Okay. So whenever fault occurs, PV is greater than, I have to correct. PV is greater than this, and when fault occurs, and right. Say okay. TI is greater than TV. Yes, sir. Okay. बरोबर ना? Have you understood this now? फक्त माझ्याकडनं ते symbol घेताना चुकी झाली. Are you able to understood this? Here TV is greater than TI, normal operating condition. TV is less than TI under fault. Okay. So value of K1 and K2 depends upon the turns you have provided for electromagnets here and here. You can write also about this. That is impedance V by I. Impedance V by I, that is less than root of K2 by K1. Okay. Any doubt? Okay. And then this is the operating characteristics you can see for the relay. Operating characteristics for the relay. That is RX diagram. Plus R, minus R, plus X, minus X. And what is impedance? Impedance we can write. Equation for impedance. We can write Z equal to, one माहित नहीं का impedance, Z is equal to root of very good, R square plus or minus, yes sir, X square. This is impedance, right? This root is under root r square plus or minus x square. सिम्बॉलिकली मला एवढंच लिहिता येते, म्हणजे सगळं अंडर रूट आहे, हे लक्षात घ्या. रूट आर स्क्वेअर नाही, हे कंप्लीट अंडर रूट आहे. ओके. सो आर एक्स डायग्राम यू कॅन सी हियर. Plus r minus r plus x minus x. This is negative torque region when r is minus, x is plus, negative torque region. Okay. Here you can see positive torque this side, negative torque this side. So this particular area which is shaded by lining, it is operating region. It is operating region. When means when you are having x minus x plus r up to this plus x plus r up to this is, as you go on this side at any point you can see this is minus x plus r. This point is minus x plus r. At this point you are having plus r, x is 0, plus r increases, x increases. This is operating region here. Then here you are having plus x minus r up to this. So this is the operating region. Whatever the value of z in this relay is operative, in this region relay is inoperative. Okay. Then another type of relay is time distance. Time distance impedance relay. Diagram you can see. Time distance impedance relay. Are you able to see this? So time distance impedance relay. I think this is visible to you. Voltage coil, voltage from PT, voltage restraining magnet, armature. This is a armature, this is your spindle, moving contact. This spindle is moving contact, and this is trip circuit contact to bridge the trip circuit. Yes, you are having the spring spiral coupling, then you are having this current coil, U-shaped and upper E-shaped and U-shaped magnet, that induction type overcurrent relay which we have studied. Secondary short circuited. This is rotating disc. Okay. Now you are having two forces operating. This one of the force is coming from the torque developed by this current coil or this induction type overcurrent relay. When this operates, it is acting on this spindle. Another force, that is armature, that attracted armature force, that is produced by voltage coil. So two forces are operating. When this force is more, the spindle is stationary, not rotating. But when this force produced by induction type overcurrent relay operating on the spindle is more than this force applied by the voltage coil, spindle rotates and this contact